Hey YouTube, wanna know how to make an origami bird? So, okay then, step 1. You take a square piece of paper, then you fold it down like this, as an crease. Then unfold. Step 2. You fold it down the other way. So then it looks like this. Then unfold. Step 3. Here's the tricky part. You pinch these edges together. And instead of putting this down, you put it over so it looks like this. Try to have no wrinkles in your paper, because this is kind of bad actually. Step 4. You fold these up. These will be the wings. Step 5. Get some scissors and cut off the extra part. Now it looks like this. Step 6. You get a pen or a pencil and then draw the eyes. So now it looks like this. Step 7. Now you fly it like that. It's not really that good, but that's how you make it. See you next time.